Dear students, in this lecture, I'll be solving March 2017 annual question paper. So the question is like this. So which is visible on the screen. Prove that x square yz, y square zx, z square xy is equal to x minus y minus z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. Dear students, taking LHS by expanding along any row or column, achieving this right hand side, very time consuming. Sometimes you may fail to get this result also. But here, look at the RHS now. Look at the RHS. Here, in our result, we have 4 factors. So that means minimum 3 factors, minimum 2 or maximum 3 factors must come as a common factor. Here, first you search for the common factors. First common factors, that is x minus y minus z, z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. Of course, all 4 factors may come as a common factor also, but at least 2 or 3 must come as a common factor. See that how it is, x minus y and this. So now what I'll do, so now I'm going to take this one as LHS directly. So this is LHS only as given. So now again, same as already you all know that we are going to do some operations on this. This is the result to be get. This result x minus y minus z, y minus z, x minus y minus z, z minus x, and xy plus yz plus zx. It should come as. So dear students, now, so directly first, what operations we are going to do on this? What operations? So first here, look at this. I'll go by R1 minus R2 because I'll get x minus y. And again, R2 minus R3 I'll do. R2 minus R3 means definitely I'll get y minus z also. Y minus z. So therefore, this is original body, minimum 1 row and 1 column should be unchanged. So taking, so what operations we are going to take now? Look at here. So taking, what operation I am going to take? So taking, look at here, there are 2 multiple surgeries I am going to do on this body, original body. The first one is R1 minus R2. Look at here, this is, afterwards I'll name it. And the second surgery is R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. Yes, students. Now, please try to understand. So here, in this, the surgery we are going to do on this body only. In this body, we are going to do surgery. Yes means surgery. After surgery, the new body will come. Here we are working on rows. Be careful. How to, at least if you are not clear, you learn now. So rows, space for first row, space for second row. I told you in the beginning itself, it is our duty to see that what is unchanged. So we are working on totally, you write here how many rows are there. So how many rows are there? R1, row 1, row 2 and row 3. In the first surgery, what is first visible? R1 is visible. that R1 has to be removed here. In the second surgery, first what is visible? R2, and remove R2. That means R3 will be unchanged row. Third row, first I will finish it off. That is from original body to after operating. This is after surgery, after operation. I told you after operation, before operation, minimum 1 row and 1 column. Which one is unchanged now? Row 3. So Z, Z square and XY. This beginners, better you learn like this first. Now finished. Now the surgery. Look at here. R1 minus R2. Now I am going to show it now. R1 minus R2, the result has to be applied to R1. That means definitely I am going to enter R1 minus R2. You get some new result. That means new R1 is going to be formed now. So once again I am telling you how new R1 is being formed. New R1 can be achieved. New R1 will be formed by doing the surgery R1 minus R2. Okay, do it and write R1 minus R2. Here you see that R1 minus R2. I'm going like this here. First X minus Y. X minus Y. Next here X square minus Y square. X square minus Y square. Next YZ minus ZX. I think if I take Z common factor, here I'll write YZ minus ZX. I think Z if I take common factor, Y minus X, or minus if I write here, minus Z, X minus Y. X minus Y. So that means this will become minus Z into X minus Y. Look at this. This is one. Next, this is first surgery is over. Now, second surgery. R2 minus R3 I'll do, but result is I'm going to write in R2. That means after subtracting result I'm writing and write R2. That means definitely you can see that new R2. So new R2 will be formed by taking R2 minus R3. Now R2 minus R3. Look at this. Here I'm going to show it with a different color now. I think with black color I'm going to show it. R2 minus R. Y minus Z. Y minus Z. Y minus Z. And Y square minus Z square. Y square minus Z square. Y square minus Z square. And ZX minus XY. ZX minus XY. In that, I think X you take common factor, it will become Z minus Y, or minus if you take common factor, minus X into Y minus Z. So why I did like this? I don't want Z minus Y. I want Y minus Z. Therefore, this will become minus X into Y minus Z. So this is completed. Now I'm going to clean it now once again clearly. Look at here. So this is, now presently we got this. Presently we got this one, and now look here. So how you have to perform the operations? You have to search very comfortably. This is one. LHS is equal to. So LHS is equal to, we have this one. Now I'll give you once again. Now in this, first observe this in this case. Here X square minus Y square, here you see that where I am writing. X minus Y into X plus Y we can write. Here once again Y square minus Z square we can write Y minus Z into Y plus Z. In the first row I am going to take X minus Y common factor. That is X minus Y common factor in the first row I am taking. How we can write here, you see that first row, no, row wise 1. Here X minus Y into X plus Y, that means X plus Y is remained. And here X minus Y means minus Z. In the second row, I'm going to change the color now. With red ink I'm writing. Second row Y minus Z I'm taking common, so that you can write here only. Second row I'm taking Y minus Z common factor, that is 1 Y plus Z, and Y minus Z means minus X. There is no common factor in third, as it is you can write Z. And suppose here once again as it is I'm going to write here, this is Z, Z square and XY. So that means already we got two common factors. We got two common factors, x minus y and x minus y and y minus z. We got it as two common factors. Dear students, now I will just show you now. This is anytime you can pause the video. Therefore, once again, look at here. So this is completed. Now the same I'm going to write here. It takes some time. LHS is equal to, now I'm going to write here, LHS is equal to x minus y into y minus z, y minus z. So this is next one more surgery I'm going to do now, and the determinant 1 x plus y minus z, be cautious, and 1 y plus z minus x and z square xy. Now we have to search one more. So we have to find z minus x. So z minus x, how you get here? Look at here. If I take R1 minus R2, see that here. R1 minus R2 means this is R1 minus R2 means what you get? X plus y minus z. That means x minus z. No, we want z minus x. Here minus z, I think minus of minus plus x. That means that is all. So that is better. R2 minus R1 will go for it. R2 minus R1, I'll do it. R2 minus R1. So R2 minus R1, after that, I'll get one more common factor. Then we'll see that. So taking now, this is the original body now. This is original body. On this, I'm going to original body. I'm going to do surgery on this. So taking, once again, observe carefully, taking R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1 I'll take. So only one operation I'm doing it presently. So what is R2 minus R1? R2 minus R1. So then once again it is same as it is. LHS is equal to first operation I'll write here. That is the after surgery. After surgery you are going to get this. First space for first row, space for second row, space for third row. First, what is unchanged? How many rows are there? R1, R2, R3. Always ask yourself question. Look here in this. In the type of surgery, R2 is visible. Therefore, R2 is been cancelled. Then these are R1 and R3 are unchanged. First, I'll write unchanged 1 x plus y minus z, and R3. R3 is also unchanged. Z square and xy. So this definitely what happened will get. Now finished. Now the surgery I'm going to do now on this. I'll take R2 minus R1. The result will be written in R2. That means after subtracting you get new result. That means definitely the new R2 will be formed. So new R2, how new R2 will be formed? By doing the operation R2 minus R1. Do it now, operation. R2 minus R1, here I'm going to show you like this. 1 minus 1, 0. I'm going to change the color now once again. Like 1 minus 1 here. 1 minus 1, 0. This is like this. Now this we have to go for it. Y plus z minus x minus y. That means z minus x. Z minus x you get. And here R2 minus R1 minus x plus z. That means z minus x. So here already we have LHS is equal to, we have x minus y into y minus z. Y minus z. So dear students, now really interesting problems. Nothing, no theorems here. Why I'm just recommend you people to not to leave this question in the examination. Why? Because it doesn't require any basic mathematics knowledge like which you have studied in the school. No formulas, nothing like simple playing. It's like a game. It is like a game only. So now it is what is this? X plus y. This is x plus y. This is x plus y because unchanged. No, that is now. Now what happened in the second row? Look here. In the second row, z minus x is common. We take it out that. Look at here. LHS is equal to x minus y, y minus z. I'm going to give the space here. Now in first row, no common factor. I'm writing as it is 1 x plus y minus z. Second row z minus x. This I'm taking now here. Second row common factor is z minus x. 0, 1 and 1 it is. And third row as it is no common factor. There is no common factor z square x plus y or xy, sorry. This up to this. Now see that already we got 3 factors as common factor now. Last and final, we go for one more operation. So which operation you do better, it is see. Which operation will do, that is. So once element is 0, once if element has become 0, please don't do such operation that 0 becomes some other number. Like what happened now? C2 plus C1 you do it now. That is C2 plus C1 means 0 plus 1. That means 1. In this place you get 1. That is very difficult. That means indirectly you are giving, unknowingly you are giving boost to your enemy. So that one, be careful, this is 0. Now the same step once again I'll write here. So take your own time to understand this once, because it's this is important question, and almost in annual exam the question will be almost all known to you, because most of the time the question comes from your textbook only. So no need to worry, just practice it, but we'll have to use a lot of logic while solving JEE question and CET exam. So I'll write here once again here, what is this? We got the same step before writing. So x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, I'm writing the same step here. And what we got here, this is the 1 x plus y minus z, 0, 1, 1, z square xy.